I'm Heather with WTI. If you are also trying to find the perfect pair of sunnies and constantly failing, then you're like me. I did find SOJOS sunnies. Perfect. They are the square oversized. I think it's 58, 59 millimeters. So a good size lens. Oh, they're dirty. I need to clean them, but it just shows how much I wear them. I truly love them. It is, I have a weird shaped, I'm not sure why, but my ears are weird. So I need something that I can easily bend
to make sure that they look straight on my face.
One of the things I really appreciated is that on the side, there's not a whole lot of mass there.
Nice slim profile on the side, and they're UV blocking.
Square, oversized designer sunnies, just right for me. I gotta go clean them now.
So much better.
So if you also are looking for the perfect sunnies, sunglasses, whatever you call them, I'll bet the SOJOS will be for you too. Aren't they cute? That's my point of view.